I guess I would define improvement for me as trying to capture the two responsibilities that we have when we come in to work. We obviously all, in our different responsibilities, have a role to come in and do the job, but I think we also have a role to come in and to improve.
We all face things that aren't working quite as they should be in the system, and the people that understand that the best are those that are working at the front line with the care of patients.
I recognised what needed to be done to change practice, but not necessarily the best way to implement the change.
So improvement is about providing a really simple and straightforward system in which you and your teams can test and make changes to make things better for the people you care for, but also for your team and the system as a whole.
People always have the will and the ideas, but they never have the implementation of how to go about doing it. So my job is to teach people how to go about doing it. When we do that, we see a marked change in services and performance.
It's about giving people the confidence that actually when they know that something isn't working in the right way, they can absolutely pick up the skills, pick up the experience, but work with teams who can make sure that they can influence care and make it very different.
The outcomes of our service improvement work is helping many different ways, from improving systems for staff, for helping morale and making things just a little bit easier every day.
We did an improvement drive on the compliance of completing the VTE risk assessment tool, and due to working with the improvement methodologies, this enabled us to achieve our goals and create standardisation.
It's good to have an outcome where you know that you've made a difference. I have to say what's even better is to know that you've made an outcome when you've worked alongside a team who've made a difference. And I think that's what improvement techniques and methodologies give you.
Improvement has given me the tools I need to make a positive change and also a difference to those I care for.
Improvement helps me and the team know that we've done the best we can with the resources we have available to us, and we've made the maximum impact to our patients.
So the Improvement Academy is going to be really the one-stop shop for everybody to access tools and resources, the support they need.
From my perspective, the Academy is a flagship approach to make sure that we can show that this is something absolutely important to the way we want to deliver care in Wales.
The more people you train in improvement, the more they're connected, the more they have support, then the more they can go out making things better for everybody and make the NHS into what we want it to be.
Improvement matters to all of us, and I think that if we're all facing in the same direction using this level of understanding and skills, we can absolutely make a difference to the care we provide.
Improvement has also given me the sense of achievement and job satisfaction, as the work we've done as a team has been recognised.
We're really excited about the possibilities and the opportunities that the Academy will provide for Wales, and we really want people to find out more, get in touch with us and start their development journeys with us.